But what about buying houses in different locations? You still don't agree with that?
Nah, because then you got headache of you got to look after it. Now it becomes a job, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people who talk about passive income, and we'll talk about passive income because I think that's the biggest scam on the planet.
I mean, he's just a good speaker, hilarious. But I mean, regarding the property stuff and all that, like I've had a lot of rentals, almost $10 million worth of rentals at some point. I could tell you from firsthand experience, he's not wrong. It's a job. And even if you have managers, it's the same thing. I had my assistant working on it, and then my assistant had questions, so it always bothered me. I've sold like half of it already. It just got so annoying. And I nearly don't have enough money like the people he's talking about, like the people who started Ethereum or any of that. I'm nowhere near that wealth, but I can really understand why not owning real assets could be something really nice. And the passive income thing I've talked about in other videos, it is kind of a scam. Not that it's a scam, but it's not what people say it is. And passive income is a spectrum. There's really passive, and then there's active, and rentals is probably like right in the middle. If you're okay with that, with rentals being a in the middle thing and it's an active business, then do it. But overall, I'm kind of now shifting my mindset and leaning towards owning less real property, probably easier assets or online assets that can produce income. And even if it takes a little bit more active, let me know in the comment section if Andrew Tate is right about the Matrix.